On our way to Vegas. Heard a noise.
Yeah.
And the plastic grill on the car is hanging off. Shit. Shit. Don't know how to fix it. How you getting on, Ryan? Mark's really worried. You really worried? Mark, you worried there, pal? Just you sit in the back and stay safe. Ryan's in the middle of fixing the car. Suddenly become a mechanic. This is what's happened. As you can see, the grill hanging off. Plastic mess. So we're just going to remove it. Sweating there, Ryan?
Fix the car in the desert. Sounds what I dreamed of, eh? That's fucking Paul and Stevie when you need them.
Paul, Stevie, we need your help. At least we're not in the middle of fucking nowhere. How was that for you, Ryan?
Fucking ridiculous.
And that's what was trailing on the bottom of the ground. Right, let's spin it and go.
I'm on holiday, what the fuck?
Next stop, Vegas.